ओम श्री गणेशाय नमः। श्रीमन्नारायणीयम्। ओम श्री कृष्णाय परब्रह्मणे नमः। दशकं 29। देवानाम् अमृतोपलब्धि प्रकार वर्णनम। The Mohini incarnation, fight between the devas and asuras, etc. Shloka 1. उद्गच्छत्तः तव करात् अमृतं हरत्सु दैत्येषु तान् शरणान् अनुनीय देवान् सद्यः तिरोदधित देव भवत्प्रभावात् उद्यत्स्वयूत्यकलः दितिजा बभूवुः। Word by word meaning. Udgachattah tava, of thee emerging from the ocean in the form of Dhanvantri. Karat, from the hand. Amrutam, the nectar. Daityeshu, Haratsu, when the asuras snatched. Asharanan, Tan, Devan, those helpless devas. Anuniya, consoling. Sadhyaha, Tirodhadita, thou didst immediately disappear. He Deva, O Lord, Bhavat Prabhavat, by the power of thy Maya, Ditijaha, the Asuras, Udyat Swayutya Kalahaha, Babhuvuhu, started a quarrel among themselves. Full meaning. When the Asuras snatched the nectar from thy hand, as thou wert emerging from the ocean in the form of Dhanvantari, thou didst console the helpless devas and immediately disappear. O Lord, by the power of thy Maya, thou didst make the Asuras then quarrel among themselves about who should have the nectar first. Bhagavata Skanda 8, Chapter 8, verse 35 to end of chapter 12 is dealt with in this dashaka. Om Tat Sat.